What's up guys, it's Brick Freight, and today we're gonna be packing a few orders. So today I have sold, well not today, but this is how many orders I have to pack. This is what I sold. I got 2 reserves, which were bundles. If they say reserve, they're usually bundles. And I have a SpongeBob figure that I didn't think was gonna sell, but I was like, oh okay, it sold, so that's cool. So let's go pack that stuff, and yeah. Starting with the first one, we'll just do the SpongeBob fig because he's the easiest, I guess. So let's go grab him from our lots. I have these like this. He's gonna be in this one, and there he is. There we go. So we got that fig. There he is. Here's our packing stuff. We're not gonna need those. We'll just take one of these here. We're gonna need some bubble wrap for this guy. And we got our bag here, put our figure in. This would be a little hard to do. All right, there's our figure. Okay, so now we got some bubble wrap on the fig. And on top of that, the bulk mailer does also have bubble wrap in there. So go ahead and put our fig here inside. There he goes. Now he's in there, he's like right there. All right, we're gonna do this. When you come back to the computer, and I can't show you this part just because I don't want to blur the addresses out, but we're gonna go to view order, and I'll just keep you going on the side here. Order details, here's everything right here. Here's the email, this is what it'll look like. Congratulations, you made a sale. Buyers now eagerly awaiting the purchase. Please ship by Tuesday. I'm gonna try to ship by Monday. And yeah, I can't show any more because I'm pretty sure the bottom of this is the shipping label. So I'm gonna print that out and I'll apply it, and I'll be right back. Also, one thing I do is I normally downsize it. I accidentally did it too much though, 70, a little too small. I think 78 or 80 is good. We'll do 80, I think 80 is fine. And then we'll print that out. I use for my printing labels, since I don't have a label printer, I just use a normal printer. I have this thing here in this house and make clean cuts real fast. Without having these scissors or messing it up. I can't really show you, but basically you just put the paper in, and you line it up, whatever, and then yeah, cut it. So I'll be right back. Well, I can't show you, but this order is packed and ready to go, so I can check off the SpongeBob listing as shipped, or not shipped, packaged. It's packaged, and I can store it in my little bin that I take to the post office. So let's go on to the next order. Okay, so the next order we have is this one. Now, I need to double check to make sure I know exactly what I'm doing here. Okay, so we got one of these and one of these. So a tiny bit smaller. And let's go ahead and pick that as it prints. So minifigures listed here. Okay. That's to be listed, my bad. Listed. You got this guy. Make sure he has the correct head, which I believe he does. Yep, it's the awesome clone head. Really awesome. That guy, we got one of these here. He's good to go. Okay. Make sure he has the correct head too. Yep, yep. Yeah, he does. Okay. So there's our 2 figs here. Grab both of them. We'll wrap, and I'll put these guys in the same bag because I'm running out of bags. This bag here. I think I might be able to do this one one-handed. Let's try this. And then probably should just put like a little bit of bubble wrap around one of them. Nah, it's fine. That's a lot. You know that. Okay. So I'm gonna do this real quick because I can't do it one-handed, and I'll be right back. There we go. So there's a little gap in between. I don't think they're gonna touch each other. So don't have to worry about the scratching situation. And yeah, feels like it should be protected. So make sure they're flat. Okay. And then the package itself has a little bit of bubble wrap in there, which should also help. I think we're good. go ahead and place our package in here. Turn it over. So much we have left. I'm gonna go ahead and get the shipping label cut on this thing and then taped on here, and I'll be right back. Okay, now it is packed, and I'll put this where it goes down here for now, and onto the last order, which we'll check out now. Okay, so they're both called reserves, so I need to do something different next time, just in case I end up having a couple bundles and don't want to mess it up. Well, here's the last order, and it's 2 stormtroopers and 2 rebel troopers. The rebel troopers are in okay, they're like fairly good condition. The arms have a little cracks on them, so they're a little bit lower priced than they should be. The stormtroopers were 8, I believe, 8 or 9. So we'll get those and we'll pack that. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we got 2 stormtroopers here in very good condition. Yep, and then we got 2 rebel troopers in fairly good condition, not very good. And this one has a blaster. These guys don't. And this guy has the wrong head too. So to compensate, I'll give that other guy a blaster as well. All right, let's do this. So I noticed that the hand had some like marker on it or something, and I was able to easily take that off with some rubbing alcohol. That usually takes it off, and then I washed it, and now it's good to go. There's no marker residue on it anymore. So yeah, that's what I normally do for anything that has marker on it and that can be cleaned. You gotta be careful, because if it's super caked on and there's printing on it, you can remove the printing. I've done that with some stormtroopers, not these ones, like the older ones, and some clones. There we go. Now his hand's all good. Those guys, and we're good to go. So we go in a big bag, which we got here. Perfect. Let's do this. I have a feeling maybe I should take the guns off. Let's flatten them down. There we go. Okay. Some bubble wrap. We're gonna need more bubble wrap, which is great. We got all this right here. I'll use this one. Okay. After a little bit of struggle, we finally got it packed, and I feel like I'm pretty confident that's gonna be fine. And this guy, I think this guy barely fits. Okay. By this guy being his bag. Okay. So it goes in correctly. Put our bubble wrap and stuff away. I'm gonna start putting our packing materials away just because we are finished with our orders. All right, so all 3 packages are there. I'll show you that. And we're good. So that's gonna be for the video, guys. If you guys like the video, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment if you have any questions on selling about selling on Mercari, and I'll probably make more Mercari videos as it's doing pretty good and I just started. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.